This is my Caribbean style pineapple habanero hot sauce. It's very easy to make. This is a really fast hot sauce. It's called pineapple habanero hot sauce. And I first learned how to make this in the Caribbean with Scotch bonnets, but I prefer habaneros. The recipe for my pineapple habanero hot sauce is below in the comments section. So I've got some nice ripe red habaneros. You can take the seeds out if you like. I'm just pulling the stems off because I like the seeds in there. There you go. And I've got 250 mils, or 1 cup of water. I'm just going to throw that in. And I'm going with a bullet today. I'll screw this on. I'll just, there you go, that looks good. And I'm going to put that into my pot. And I've got some fresh pineapple chunks, 4 to 6 pieces. It adds a really nice flavor to the habanero hot sauce. And I know you're going, well, pineapple's not keto and it's like too many carbs, but the amount of hot sauce that you're going to use, you couldn't even register the amount of carbs. So I'm going to throw those in. There you go. I've got 2 tablespoons of onion and a whole clove of garlic peeled. In goes that. And this is my vinegar, just plain white vinegar, another cup or 250 mils. I'm just going to put a bit in right now just to pulse this up. There you go. I like that. I'll pour that into the pot. And I'll just rinse this out with the rest of the vinegar. And I've got my kosher salt, and in that goes. So I'm going to turn my induction burner on to high here. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and we're going to simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay, so my pineapple habanero hot sauce took about 10 minutes to come up to a boil, and then I simmered it for 5. And now it's just cooling. And I've got a 1 liter mason jar with a filler, and that's sterilized. And isn't that a beautiful color? So what I'm going to do now is just pour it into the main mason jar, and then as I want to fill my smaller bottles, I can do that. Also, in the last stage there, you can taste it for sweetness, and if you want to add a little bit of sweetener to it, I suggest like maybe a little allulose or erythritol. That would be good. But you get a little bit of sweet from the pineapple. Also, in the Caribbean, a lot of the people there will put mustard into their sauce. It'll be a pineapple habanero hot sauce with a little bit of mustard in it. So there you go. That looks really good. I'm going to put that and let it cool a little bit more. I'm going to put it into the fridge, and then I'll fill up my smaller bottles like that. There you go. That is just delicious. I love that in my minestrone soup. Or on Taco Tuesday, it's really good. Habaneros. There's my pineapple habanero hot sauce. Thanks for watching.